Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Star Wars font in Canva. All right, let's begin. First, go to a browser and search for the Star Wars font. Once you find it, download the file. Make sure you are using a safe link to avoid unwanted issues. After downloading, the font will be saved in your folder. Now open Canva and select any template you want to customize. Click on the text option, then go to the Brand Kit. Here you will see an option to upload fonts. Click Upload Fonts. Find the Star Wars font file you downloaded and double-click it to add it into Canva. Once uploaded, you can apply the font to any text in your design. Simply highlight the text, then select the Star Wars font from your uploaded fonts list. You will see the style applied immediately. You can also use this font when creating thumbnails. So that's basically how you can get Star Wars font in Canva. That's it for this video. Thanks.